Hello everyone, welcome to a video on evolution of artificial intelligence. आज के टाइम में एआई इज एवरीवेयर. आपके फोन्स, गूगल मैप्स, चैट जीपीटी, इवन सेल्फ ड्राइविंग कार्स. लेकिन एआई का सफर कैसे शुरू हुआ? हाउ डिड वी गो फ्रॉम मिथ्स टू मशीन्स दैट टॉक लाइक ह्यूमंस? इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे एआई की पूरी जर्नी फ्रॉम एंशियंट ड्रीम्स टू टुडेज पावरफुल टूल्स. लेट्स बिगिन. एआई का कॉन्सेप्ट नया नहीं है. हमारे एंसेस्टर्स भी लाइफ लाइक मशीन्स के बारे में सोचते थे. लेट्स गो बैक thousands of years. In Greek mythology, there was a story of Talos, a giant robot made of bronze, created by the god who protected the island of Crete. एक मशीन जो गार्ड का काम करता था. Fast forward to Middle Ages. Inventors like Leonardo da Vinci designed mechanical knights that could move their arms and jaw. There were also automated birds that could flap wings using gears and springs. So even without electricity, लोग centuries से सोच रहे थे that can we build machines that behave like us? एआई का साइंटिफिक जर्नी स्टार्ट हुआ 1940s में ड्यूरिंग वर्ल्ड वॉर टू. अ ब्रिटिश जीनियस named Alan Turing designed the Turing machines, which was a mathematical model of a computer. In 1950, he asked a very important question: Can machines think? उन्होंने प्रपोज किया था द ट्यूरिंग टेस्ट, जिसमें अगर कोई मशीन इंसान की तरह बात करे और इंसान डिफरेंस ना समझ पाए, then the machine can be considered intelligent. Then came a huge moment, 1956, when scientists like John McCarthy and Marvin gathered at the Dartmouth Conference in the US. यहाँ पर फर्स्ट टाइम यूज हुआ था टर्म आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. They believed machines could one day simulate human intelligence. This was the official birth of artificial intelligence. 1956 के बाद एआई रिसर्च ने मोमेंटम पकड़ा. Early programs could solve logic puzzles, play chess, and even interact in very simple language. One famous example was ELIZA, which was developed in 1966, a computer program that acted like psychotherapist. अब कुछ भी लिखो and Eliza would give you a very generic reply like, how does that make you feel? People were amazed, even though it wasn't actually understanding anything. Another innovation was SHRDLU, a system that could move virtual blocks by understanding English commands. It was basic, but it showed promise. लोग समझने लगे मे बी एआई कैन रियली टॉक एंड अंडरस्टैंड अस समडे. पर जैसे हर स्टोरी में ट्विस्ट होता है, एआई की स्टोरी में भी एक लो पॉइंट आया, कॉल्ड द एआई विंटर. वाई विंटर? बिकॉज enthusiasm ठंडी पड़ गई थी. People realized real world problems were way more complicated than lab demos. Computers were very slow, expensive, and did not have enough memory. एआई could not deliver on big promises, जिससे फंडिंग बंद हो गई. Governments and companies started pulling out. Projects were cancelled and researchers moved to other fields. This was a tough time, but it was not the end. Scientists quietly continued laying the groundwork for the future. 1990s में एआई ने एक नया टर्न लिया. वेलकम टू द एज ऑफ मशीन लर्निंग. यहाँ आइडिया ये था, इंस्टेड ऑफ राइटिंग रूल्स, let machines learn patterns from data. So if you show a computer 1,000 cat images, it should learn what a cat looks like without needing to define two ears and whiskers in code. In 1997, a landmark event happened. IBM's Deep Blue defeated world chess champion Gary Kasparov. ये पहली बार था जब एक कंप्यूटर ने ह्यूमन ग्रैंड मास्टर को हरा दिया. और जैसा जैसा बिग डेटा ग्रो हुआ एंड इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोडेड, AI models had more fuel, millions of examples to learn from. Then came a real game changer, deep learning. This is a type of machine learning using large neural networks, systems inspired by how our brain works. In 2012, a system called AlexNet blew everyone's mind by winning an image recognition competition. It was 10x better than anything before it. Suddenly, computers could not just see but recognize what they were seeing. Then, in 2016, AlphaGo, made by Google DeepMind, beat world Go champion Lee Sedol. Go is way more complex than chess, and no one thought AI could win, but it did using deep learning and reinforcement learning. This was a turning point. AI was no longer just smart, it was starting to outperform humans in complex tasks. And now, welcome to today's world, the generative AI era. AI tools like ChatGPT can write essays, poems, and even code. DALL-E can generate amazing art from just a text prompt. And models like Sora can generate videos just from descriptions. All of these is powered by something called transformer models, a breakthrough in AI that understand context, language and creativity. ये सिर्फ सर्च इंजन्स नहीं है, ये सिस्टम क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. दे आर यूज्ड इन एजुकेशन, हेल्थ केयर, content creation, marketing, and even in video creation. The line between human and machine creativity is blurring very fast. So, what's next? क्या हम आर्टिफिशियल जनरल इंटेलिजेंस बना पाएंगे, एक ऐसी मशीन जो हर टास्क कर सके जो ह्यूमन करता है? मे बी, मे बी नॉट. बट वन थिंग इज क्लियर, AI is becoming more powerful every day. लेकिन साथ ही एथिक्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी जरूरी है. वी नीड टू आस्क, इज एआई फेयर? इज इट सेफ? क्या ये ह्यूमैनिटी के वैल्यूज को फॉलो करता है? द फ्यूचर ऑफ एआई इज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट टेक्नोलॉजी, it is about humans and machines working together to solve big challenge like climate change, healthcare and education. So this was the end of video. If you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe. If you have any question or suggestion, do let me know in the comment section.